Fine.
It's nice to see you back in class. Aram was not well, children. He had
Thank you,
fever.
ma'am.
Now he's feeling better. Good to see you back.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you. Now, all of you join your hands, close your eyes. Arav is going to say the prayer. Arav, you may begin now, loudly.
Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive those
And
who
forgive
sin
us.
against
And
us.
forgive
Forgive
us
us and forgive us
our
through
sins
those verses.
as we forgive those who sin against
And
us.
forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
All right, that word is evil, but deliver us from evil. All right,
Okay,
once again,
ma'am.
a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to your English class, children. Now, let me tell you one very important thing. Your activity, which was posted to you on the 1st of July, you have to submit that to me on the 20th of July. The date which is given for submission, you will send it to me on that day, not before that. उससे पहले अगर कोई भेजेगा तो हम एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे. उसी दिन जिस दिन की डेट दी गई है सबमिशन की, उसी दिन आप मुझे एक्टिविटी अपनी सबमिट करिएगा. राइट? आई होप यू आर ऑल डूइंग इट नाइसली. यस.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस.
20 जुलाई को भेजना है.
यस शिवांश, आपने अभी जो सेंड करी है वो हम एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे. आपको 20 जुलाई को सेंड करना है.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, please be very careful with all the instructions that are sent to you, children. Follow those
से भेजना
instructions.
पड़ेगा.
Now, all of you take out your English language copies, open a fresh page, put today's date 15.7.2021.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
चैप्टर नंबर कौन सा है?
Vaishnavi, I said take out your English language copies. Open a fresh page, put today's date. I always tell you God is given 2 years जिससे हम ज़्यादा सुने, तो आपको इसका यूज़ करना है. ये यहाँ पर
Excuse me,
सिर्फ
ma'am.
ऐसे ही नहीं लगाए हुए हैं. यस. आई कांट हियर यू शिवांश.
भेजना पड़ेगा.
यस.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Put today's date 15/7/2021. Then put classwork. Since you are doing it in class, put classwork. Put classwork. I'll be sharing the screen with you. You'll be able to see.
और जो मैंने ज्वाइन किया था
Yes.
वो हुआ था.
Yes, are there?
मैम कौन सी पेज में आप करा रहे
I'm showing you the screen. Yes, Hardik.
Ma'am.
English language copy. You can all see the screen. Those who are using the mobile, they can zoom in on their screen. Put the heading, pronouns. Then copy the question. What is a pronoun? Answer. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. And in brackets, you'll write naming words. Then you'll write the examples. I, she, he, we, it, they. Make sure you're doing your work neatly. Adhiraj, I hope you're writing, child.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. When you're writing, please say and write. Copy the question. What is a pronoun? Christopher, I hope you're writing. Christopher,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, I hope you're writing, child. When you finish, make sure you revise your work. Vaishnavi, you can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good. Hardik, are you writing? Hardik, Hassan, are you also writing, child? Yes, sure. There was some child who was joining. That is why the screen had gone.
मैम अभी मेरा पूरा नहीं हुआ है,
Yes?
मेरा भी होमवर्क पूरा नहीं।
पूरा नहीं है? क्या पूरा नहीं है आपका?
मैम क्लास वर्क।
शुभ, आपको लिखना सीखना है और जल्दी लिखना सीखना है। क्लास में हम जो क्लास वर्क कराते हैं वो आपको करना है और जल्दी लिखना है। I've told you children, you have to keep practicing writing. One page of writing every day you do, you will be in practice of writing. Hassan, let me see your copy. Are you writing? Hassan?
Yeah, writing.
Yes, Shivansh. Nipun, what happened, child? You had sent some audios in the group. I was not able to hear that. We had started with the class. Shubh, you can zoom in on the screen that you're using. I have done it from my end. You can also do it from your end in case you're finding the font small. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. And brackets, naming word. Nouns are naming words. Examples, I, comma, she, comma, he, comma, we, comma, it, and then comma, they. Then you have the words used in the sentences. My name is Vani. I am 6 years old. Next, Arav is my best friend. We study in the same school. Next, this is my pet. It is very naughty. Next, Mustafa is my brother. He is 2 years old. And the last one, they are my cousins. Children, as you finish your work, make sure you revise it very carefully. Do your work very neatly, revise everything, and then post the pictures in the class group. You don't have to make the PDF, just click the picture and send it in the class group. Yes, Aram?
Are you done?
You finished?
I am done.
All right, good. Now revise your work, Aram, nicely, and then click a picture and post it in the class group.
Okay, ma'am.
Make sure you revise your work very carefully, children. And you have to learn up this definition. Ronik, have you finished? Ronik, are you there? Have you finished your work?
Ma'am, I have done my work.
You've done your work? All right, now revise it,
Yes,
child.
ma'am.
Revise it
Okay,
carefully
ma'am.
and then tell mommy to post a picture in the class group.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Sakina, have you finished, child?
No, ma'am.
Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
मैम फिफ्थ लाइन में क्या है?
The fifth sentences, they are my cousins.
मैम मैं कुछ आ गया था,
Yes?
कुछ आ गया था मैम.
Okay, अब चला गया? Come, do your work. Hassan, let me see your work. Hassan. Hassan, can you hear me, child?
मैम बस मेरा डन होने वाला है.
Okay, very good. Nipun, what happened? How are you feeling?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Shivansh, just a second. I'm talking to Nipun.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Revise your work and then post a picture in the class group. Nipun, how are you feeling, child? Are you feeling better?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You had sent some audios in the group. I had not seen, child, because we were already in the class.
Excuse me.
Yes, Shivansh.
Ma'am, class से
Yes, Shivansh.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, इसमें बनाया लिखा
Vaishnavi, I can't hear you.
मैम इसमें रानी लिखना है कि अपना नाम लिखना है?
क्या लिखना है?
रानी लिखना है कि अपना नाम?
I can't hear you properly, child. Vaishnavi?
Ma'am, my name is Vaishnavi.
Oh, you're asking about the name. You don't need to write the name. You do just post the picture because I've got your names in the class group. जब आप पोस्ट करेंगे तो आपके नाम से ही हमारे पास आ जाता है वर्क. Alright, you just click a picture and post it. Since your names are all fed in the class group, जब आप वर्क पोस्ट करते हैं तो आपका वर्क विथ नेम मेरे पास आ जाता है. ओके, फाइन. Just click a picture and send it. Make sure you revise your work carefully.
Ma'am,
Yes.
fever हो गया है.
अगर फीवर था तो आपने क्लास क्यों ज्वाइन करी? If you are joining one class, then you will have to join all the classes. Yes. अगर आपकी तबीयत नहीं ठीक थी, आपको क्लास नहीं ज्वाइन करना चाहिए था. मम्मी को मैसेज कर देना चाहिए था मैम को कि हार्दिक की आज तबीयत नहीं ठीक है.
मैम उसको करना था तो मैंने कर दिया.
No, but if you are not well, child, then how can you sit in class? Yes. You finished your work? Hardik? All right, revise your work. Send me the picture.
I have done my work.
Hayat is also finished. Good. Revise your work, Hayat, and then send me the picture in the class group.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Rishita.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Aaron, just a second. Rishita is trying to say something.
I have done work.
You've done your work. Good. Now revise it. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes and then post the picture in the class group. Yes, Aram?
मैम अभी वो सेंड करने या क्लास खत्म होने के बाद सेंड करना होगा.
Send it right now. You are finished. Send it right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anaya?
Ma'am, I have done my work.
All right. Start posting the pictures to me in the class group. I'm taking your attendance. Keep answering. Listen to your names carefully. Anya Nigam.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Shivansh.
मैम मैं सेंड कर दिया है.
All right, Shivansh. मैम को दिख रहा है आपने सेंड कर दिया है. Now sit quietly and give me your attendance. Anya Nigam. Arav Maurya.
Present, ma'am.
Arav Nigam. Ayat Momina Haidar.
Present, ma'am.
Adhiraj Agarwal. Adhiraj.
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
Yes, Adhiraj, you have to answer, child. Anay Mishra.
Present, ma'am.
Ansh Francis. Aradhya Shivastav. Astha Tripathi. Ayat Fatima Rizvi.
Present, ma'am.
Christopher Massey. Hardik Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Hayat Khan.
Present, ma'am.
Inaya Khan,
Present, ma'am.
Ishanvi
Ma'am.
Singh,
Ma'am, 6 question दिए.
yes Inaya?
Ma'am, ma'am, आपने जब 5 points लिखवाए हैं.
Yes, there are 5 points. Those are examples. Right? Ishanvi is also not there today. Hriday Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Rishita Sumani,
Present, ma'am.
Mahira Fazal, Manjeet Verma,
Present, ma'am.
Meher Fatima Naqvi, Mohammad Arham,
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Mustafa, Mohammad Hassan,
Present, ma'am.
Nipun Giri, Nipun, Nipun answer child. Nipun answer for your name child. You're there in the class.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I have done my work.
Alright, revise it and send the picture.
Okay, ma'am.
Oman Agarwal,
Present, ma'am.
Pranjali Singh, Prashasti Mishra, Ronik Rastogi,
Present, ma'am.
Priya,
Present, ma'am.
Rudraksh,
Present, ma'am.
Sakina Abbas,
Present, ma'am.
Sanvi Sonkar, Sanvi,
Present, ma'am.
Shivansh Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Shubh Gautam, Syed Mohammad Wali Abbas, Syed Mohammad Ali Altamash,
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi Gupta,
Yes, ma'am.
Vihan Tiwari, Vijwal Mehra,
Yes, ma'am.
Vinayak Agarwal.
Present, ma'am.
All right. I've just stopped sharing the screen just now, children.
Ma'am.
Yes. Now listen to me carefully. Listen to me
मेरा
carefully.
homework done नहीं हुआ.
कोई बात नहीं अनय, कोई बात नहीं, परेशान मत होइए, मैम की बात सुनिए. Children who have not been able to complete their work, I will post this work in the class group. You can finish it and then send me the pictures. Once you finish your work, then you can send me the pictures in the class group. Right?
Yes.
And let me tell you one more thing. Some children, they attend only the first period and then they are not there for other classes. Children, if it is a genuine problem, अगर प्रॉब्लम जेन्युइन है, मम्मी पापा को ऑफिस जाना होता है इसलिए आप रिमेनिंग क्लास नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए आपको मुझे मम्मी से बोलिएगा, एप्लीकेशन लेकर मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर देंगी, सो दैट आई नो व्हाई द चाइल्ड इज़ नॉट जॉइनिंग द क्लास. लेकिन एक क्लास करके अटेंडेंस करके बाकी के क्लासेस में आप नहीं आ रहे हैं, दैट इज़ रॉन्ग. You will not be marked present if you are attending just one class and you are not even informing the teacher as to why you are not attending other classes. अगर आप बाकी के क्लासेस किसी वजह से नहीं कर रहे हैं तो मैम को आपको इन्फॉर्म करना है, और जिस दिन आप एब्सेंट होते हैं, क्लास नहीं अटेंड कर पा रहे हैं, उस दिन मॉर्निंग में मम्मी से बोला करिए हमको व्हाट्सएप कर दिया करें मैसेज, आज बच्चा क्लास नहीं कर पाएगा इस वजह से. The reason should be sent to me. Your application should come to me.
Ma'am, please repeat screen.
Nipun, I was saying the children who are not able to attend the classes due to some reason, please make sure that your parents send me a message on WhatsApp on my personal so that I know why you are absent in the class. And you have to attend
Okay,
all the
ma'am.
classes. ये नहीं कि एक क्लास करके एक क्लास में आप absent हो गए. Yes, Shubh?
आप दोबारा भेज सकती हैं, मेरा थोड़ा ही सा काम हुआ है.
शुभ, आपको जल्दी जल्दी लिखना सीखना है. अगर आप जल्दी जल्दी लिखना नहीं सीखेंगे तो काम कैसे करेंगे बेटे? You have to learn to be quick with your work, okay? And children, now you can take your break. We'll meet again in the next period. Next period you have maths. Be ready with your arithmetic copies in the next period. We are going to do some work, written work in the class. Yes, Adiraj, I can see. Good. Send me the picture. Be ready with your arithmetic copies in the next period. Take your break. Thank you.